Level 3, spine curls with the band. So neutral pelvis, I'm not going to go through everything because if you're watching this then you should know how to get into the right place, level 3s. But your knees are hip width apart, feet are flat. So your band is going to come across the waist. But if you take your hands to the side, then it should be in the same place, in the right place. If you have your hands here, the band will want to come across the legs, so you have your hands a bit wide. The idea of using the band is just to offer resistance. So when you come up, your hands shouldn't be coming up, but there shouldn't be like I'm pulling and my hands are coming up. The band should just still be nice and relaxed and your arms. So from here, deep inhale, and then exhale as you roll the pelvis towards you. So remember the first half of your spine curl, no bums, no hamstrings, and then you peel yourself up. So what I want you to really focus on with this is that it's your hips pushing the band up. So rather than thinking of the bands pulling you down, focus on the hips pushing the band up. So you're kind of working with the band. So we'll just do one more. So again, it's up to you what colour you want to use. But this is a nice little add-on to get those bums working. So Paul, if you just hold it there. He doesn't know I'm going to do this. But from here, send all your weight onto your right leg, and you're going to bring your left knee up towards the chest. So when you bring your knee up, again, keep focusing on pushing and leg down, and then you can do the other side. Keep focus on pushing your hip into the band when the leg comes up. So it's something for your mind to focus on, like pushing the band, and that will stop your hips from dropping down. Good. Take a breath in at the top, and then roll yourself down one vertebra at a time. So that was spine curls with the band, with the variation of the leg lifts as well. You'll feel it in the bum cheeks. And that's level 3.